guys, welcome back to our
YouTube channel.
Today we are back with another African food mukbang. We are eating egusi with fufu or fufu with egusi soup. So, if this is your first time of seeing this YouTube channel, please first of all subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. So, let's pray before starting to demolish this food.
People are in the hungry because the way they talk, your dad they talk fast.
No, sir, they talk fast, no.
Let's go.
Now we pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for providing this food for us. So may continue to provide for us, provide for those who are provide for us, as well our family members. And so, we let you eat this, we let you nourish our body. And so, we return to your son's name, Jesus Christ. So, this is our
Wash hand.
Russian hand.
Everybody do wash hand, especially guys. Please, we are ready to go now. So please join us to demolish this food.
I said they
You know me now. If you don't finish prayer, me I need to wait for person.
I'm not trying to wait for me. Guys, come close and let us demolish. I don't know what this egusi. This camera only do justice to this egusi. You know when you call it out.
You want me to bring out? If you don't want me to bring out, I don't need to eat now. Only thing matters not to go down.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Welcome. Eating. You say eat, am I not eating?
Yes.
You carry food. You prefer eating meat finish before you start eating food.
Everything to be now.
I get some questions where say some people ask me for my comment section. They want my video like that. Well, like 3 people ask me, like two person. Ask me say why I know they upload video, why I know they upload mukbang like before. Guys, the truth of the matter is that to eat mukbang it's not easy. If you be eating mukbang every day, to make mukbang video is not easy. Me, I've seen some mukbang families as a mukbang channel. They're not too posting mukbang all the time, like every day, like before, every day. The truth of the matter, so you to be doing mukbang video every day, mukbang, back to back. It's not easy, honestly. It's not easy. Number one, if you don't control yourself, you will add weight. You will add a lot of weight. The weight no will be here. So that's why you see so many people now doing mukbang. They are not posting mukbang every day. Maybe once in a while they post. Maybe once in a while they post a mukbang video, but say like before every day, no. It's not easy to eat food. It's not easy.
Are you adding weight? Are you adding weight?
That's no need to advise me. I add weight before, but now I don't lose the weight. And as you can see, I'm not even posting mukbang every day all the time, maybe once in 2 days, no.
You're not posting video like before?
I'm not posting video. You know they see I won't make video like before. That is what people are asking now. Well, I'm not making video like before.
It's not easy to eat fufu.
It's not easy to eat fufu. And the problem is that when you post another thing, for example, maybe you post like rice or another food apart from fufu, people don't really watch like that. So people like seeing people eating fufu all the time, every day. And it's not easy to eat. You see this thing? It's not easy to eat fufu every day. It's not easy. For example, if your channel that maybe your channel don't go viral, maybe if you post video that one day they get 10,000, 11,000 views. And that one day, and they know you with fufu, maybe you can post maybe like rice or that things, you know, we'll get that view like that. So it's not easy to do mukbang video.
So do you want to share the little advice you have concerning that one?
No,
with your viewers?
I don't want to. I don't already tell them what I need to tell them. I don't talk what I want to talk.
You are not going to give them mukbang back to back.
Are we posting back to back?
I'm asking you a question.
You will be asking this question now. Are we posting like before?
Answer my question. No attack me.
You they say maybe we even post video once in a week. That's what they post like before.
I don't know why.
You don't know why?
You tell me you are listening.
You will be the top of camera.
Me I like fufu.
Me I know. You even need to tell me.
I like Fufu. Back to back. It's my choice. It's my hobby.
It's your hobby. See, guys, normal before. I cannot stay one day without eating fufu. I must eat fufu. Even that not make a video. As long as I have soup in my fridge or in my freezer, I must eat fufu. It's compulsory. But it got to that extent that I can't see myself, adding weight, and I don't like the weight to say I dey add. Because of fufu, I don't like the weight to say I dey add.
Add weight.
I add weight, I know now.
Me want me add weight.
Now so that the thoughts I like woman with the tie wrapper.
But you are not tying wrapper.
If na woman with the wear bun shorts, una eye go dey there.
But you are not tying
wrapper.
wrapper.
Woman na mad put first, na go say make the tie wrapper. Na wrapper woman take tie. But if na woman you see the wear bun shorts, na eye go dey there. Woman make I add weight.
Are you tackling me personally? Or you are doing video?
Now what you just say? You say woman make I add weight.
I want this.
You want me to add weight? I cannot add weight.
Add weight.
So guys, I can't say I want to add weight and I need to do something. And I know the reason why they add weight. So I don't need someone to advise me. I need to advise myself by reducing the fufu. Because remember, my best food is fufu. My best food is fufu. I can eat fufu. So
Me, I want to tell you guys my favorite food.
now fufu now. No, before.
My favorite food na meat.
I was even the one that blamed my husband how to eat fufu. My husband's best food
I like meat too.
is rice before. You can eat rice with salt, palm oil. So far it's rice. But since we would do video now, we're going to eat fufu. So you can blend to fufu. So maybe
I like meat.
you love meat, don't you like
But
meat?
you know
Maybe
meat
for front, maybe I fix the post back to back. But for now, I can no, I will not be posting back to
You are
back.
watching weight.
Yeah, so I want to remain sweet 16.
Huh?
Sweet 16, forever young. Old woman like me. So guys, I hope I've answered you people, those people that asked me that question. Where's phone?
I want to take meat.
Not you go inside the pot now. You want to go inside pot?
You know bad now.
Not you go inside my pot. Why they do like this? Where's spoon? So if I leave you go sugar inside pot.
Why not?
For video.
Like that. I know the taboo in it. Woo!
Me, I'm not eating. You will round up.
You're not eating?
Okay. You round up the video.
Ciao. I never done eating. Ciao.
No.
You never finish your food. But I want me to finish your food, please. It's very important.
I finish my food.
I will not tell you. Cut your food according to the way you feel eat them.
So guys, if you watch up to this extent, so me I'm rounding up, my husband is still eating, so I have something to do. If you watch up to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, please give us thumbs up. Because when next time, it will finish you.
Yeah, we'll finish all those things. So now that one now the off camera.
What if you have camera?
Oh yeah, now go. Ciao. So, only one collect the space. Mama, once you finish your food,
What is wrong with you?
throwing food everywhere is paining me. So, I need to help her out because I don't like throwing food because it's very bad seeing food throwing every day. I know they like them at all. So I like to eat it. Guys, as you can see, I don't demolish my food like African champion. So please, this woman cannot follow me eat. You all can, if she can follow me eat normal food, but when you talk about food, she cannot follow me eat food because I love food. I like food. I like eating food, and I like meat, especially meat. I like it. I love meat. So please, guys, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Each time I upload a new video like this, you see how the plate clear. Now so please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. In case we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first to notify by doing so. May God bless you, guys. I always love each and every one of our followers and our subscribers. So bye. So guys, bye guys. Abi, I should eat another food again. No, it's too much. So next time, I will double this food and I'll eat it times 2 for you people. Please guys, subscribe. Bye.